In this video, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF files in C# and .NET using GemBox.Pdf. First, we need to install the GemBox.Pdf package. Right-click the project and open NuGet Package Manager. Then search for GemBox.Pdf. Select the package and click Install. Once the installation is finished, we're ready to write the code. Now let's open program.cs. First, import the GemBox.Pdf namespace. Next, set the license key. We are using the free limited key, which you can use for evaluation and smaller documents. For production use, you would use your professional license key instead. Now we load the first PDF file. This loads the document into GemBox.Pdf's in-memory document model. Next, we load the second PDF file. To merge the documents, we simply add all pages from the second document to the first one. Finally, we save the merged document as a new PDF file. Let's run it. Okay, the merge is complete. Let's see the result. Here is the first PDF file, and here is the second PDF file. And this is the merged PDF file. As you can see, the pages from both documents are now combined into a single PDF file. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to do more with PDF documents in .NET, GemBox.Pdf provides a powerful .NET API for reading, writing, modifying, and processing PDF files programmatically. To install the library and copy the code sample, check the links in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.